Students, now in this lecture we are going to consider two important problems for the inverse trigonometric function. First question is, prove that sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 plus cos inverse of minus root 3 by 2 is equal to cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. We are starting from the LHS because two terms are there. LHS is equal to sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 plus cos inverse of minus root 3 by 2. Consider sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to alpha. And we know that sin inverse of minus x equal to minus sin inverse of x. Minus sin inverse of x. That is the inverse trigonometric function formula for negative angle. Therefore, sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to minus sin inverse of 1 by 2. Minus sin inverse of 1 by 2. Now here sin inverse matlab in function we know sin, value we know half, and we have to find the angle, and that angle is the 30 degree or pi by 6 radian. Therefore minus pi by 6 is the answer, equation number 1. And cos inverse of minus root 3 by 2 is equal to beta. Now formula for cos inverse minus theta or minus x is pi minus cos inverse x. Pi minus cos inverse x, important formula. Cos inverse of minus x, pi minus cos inverse x. Therefore cos inverse of minus root 3 by 2 is equal to pi minus cos inverse root 3 by 2. Now cos inverse matlab function we know cos, value we know root 3 by 2, and angle we have to find, and that angle we know that it is a pi by 6, or again it is a 30 degree. Cos 30 is pi root 3 by 2. Therefore pi minus pi by 6 is equal to 5 pi by 6 is equal to 5 pi by 6, number 2. Now from 1 and 2 we get LHS is equal to minus pi by 6, equation number 1, alpha value or sin inverse minus 1 by 2 plus 5 pi by 6, that is a cos inverse minus root 3 by 2 is equal to 4 pi by 6. 6 LCM, 5 pi minus pi is a 4 pi by 6 is equal to 2 pi by 3, equation number 3. Now we are solving for RHS. RHS is cos inverse of minus 1 by 2. Again consider cos inverse of minus 1 by 2 is equal to gamma. And we know that for cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Again same formula is used for cos inverse of minus x. Therefore cos inverse of minus half is equal to pi minus cos inverse of half. Now cos function, value half, and angle we have to find. And we know that for 60 degree cos 60 is half. Therefore cos inverse of half is equal to 60 degree or pi by 3 in radian. Pi by 3 in radian. So pi minus pi by 3 is equal to 2 pi by 3, equation number 4. And therefore from 3 and 4 we get LHS equal to RHS. Important problem. And again I am reminding all these lectures problems, write down again in your classwork notebook. Don't consider that this as a online lectures are going on, we are looking for the movie. It is not a movie. You have to write down again all these problems in the regular classwork notebook. I want to see your classwork notebook when regular lecture will start. Second problem, prove that sin inverse of 3 by 5 plus cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to sin inverse of 56 by 65. This problem is asked in board exam near about 3 times. How to proceed? Consider sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to x. Therefore 3 by 5 is equal to sin x. From sin x we can find out cos x. Cos x equal to root of 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus 9 by 25, 16 by 25 is equal to 4 by 5. Number 2. Let cos inverse of 12 by 13 is equal to y. Therefore 12 by 13 is equal to cos y, number 3. And from cos y we can find out sin y, root of 1 minus cos square y, root of 1 minus 144 upon 169, root of 25 by 169 is equal to 5 by 13. Now consider sin x plus y. Now why we have to consider sin? Because right hand side we want sin inverse. Why we are taking plus sign? Because plus sign is there in the LHS. Therefore we have to consider sin x plus y. If the left hand side is minus, we have to take minus. If right hand side is cos inverse, we have to consider cos. According to that we have to apply the idea for the LHS. Now sin x plus y for this problem is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Again trigonometric basic formula. Now put the values from 1, 2, 3, 4. Sin x value 3 by 5. Sin x value 3 by 5. Cos y value 12 by 13 plus cos x value 4 by 5. Cos x value 4 by 5 and sin y value 5 by 13. So that is equal to 12 into 3 36 plus 5 into 4 20 and LCM is 13 into 5 65 is equal to 56 by 65. Therefore x plus y is equal to sin inverse 56 by 65. Sin x plus y is 56 by 65. Therefore x plus y is sin inverse of 56 by 65. And again resubstitute for x and y. Therefore sin inverse 3 by 5 plus cos inverse 12 by 13 is equal to sin inverse 56 by 65. Hence proved. For this problem 4 marks. Thank you.